Did you know Windows has a secret mode called GodMode? Most people don't even know it exists, but today I'll show you what it is and how to unlock it in just few seconds. Let's go. GodMode is basically a hidden console panel in Windows. Instead of searching through different menus, it pulls all system settings and tools in one place. We are talking about 200 shortcuts from display settings, network tools, to advanced admin controls. Right-click on your desktop to create a new folder, rename the folder into this code that I put it on description. Then hit enter button. The folder icon will instantly change to something that looks like console panel. Now when you open it, boom! You'll see giant list of Windows settings in one place. It's perfect if you're a power user, a gamer tweaking performance, or even just someone who wants quick access into hidden settings without digging through menus. It doesn't give you extra powers outside of Windows, but it definitely makes life easier. So that's GodMode in Windows, the hidden menu nobody tells you about. If you want this content helpful, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can also see this video, and that's when I'm going to help you how to become master of using any AI. See you there.